Hi guys, this is our Crafter S, and in today's video we're going to do another art video where we're going to be making a origami frog that jumps. So you need this A4 paper, or you can just get a normal origami paper. So for me, I'll just be cutting this by about 5 centimeter by 5 centimeters, and like this. And I'll just be drawing a line. And another line here. And we'll be cutting that out. And now you can see we have a perfect little paper. And so you need to fold the paper half and then open it up, and then fold it in half again, like the edge of the paper, and fold it to the middle line that we just folded and we created. Just like a little fridge. And then we need to kind of make an X here. So fold it like this and fold it like this again, something like car what I kind of call. And then you can just push these two parts in and like this in, and you'll be creating a triangle, and you can kind of make its arms. Then you can be folding this part again in. So that it looks like this, and you'll be folding this half and half again. So then you created a jumping frog. And to add some more details, you can just get a pencil and add 2 little eyes, and there you have it. You can make a bunch of these and give it out to friends and do a little race, like how far you can do or how high you can jump. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.